With a little love and care, inexpensive chicken drumsticks can be elegant and presentable when we French them into lollipops. Let's get started. Cut the top part of skin with a knife. Because of the membranes, you have to use scissors. Scrape the bone with a knife. Peel the skin off the tip of the bone. There is a very sharp bone, so be careful. Take it out. Then, with your hand, push down the skin. You can keep all the skin, but I like to eat healthier, so I am going to trim the excess skin off with scissors. Season generously with salt and pepper. Drizzle oil and rub all over the skin. Put cooking foil on a baking sheet. Put a wire rack. Put the chicken on the wire rack so that the skin can be crispy. Bake them at 450 for 15 minutes. That hot temperature will make the skin crispy. Meanwhile, let's prepare the sauce. In a saucepan, put 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 2 tablespoons of Korean dried ground red pepper, a 1/4 cup of low-sodium soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. A 1/4 cup of honey, a 1/4 cup of tangerine juice, gently boil and reduce. Then set aside in a bowl. Lower the oven temperature to 400 degrees so that the meat can be cooked thoroughly and juicy. Bake about 20 to 30 minutes or until the skin is golden brown and crispy. The internal temperature should be at least 170 degrees for chicken drumsticks. Brush the sauce on the chicken. Voila! These inexpensive lollipop chicken drumsticks are elegant and presentable for any special occasions. Bon appetit!